Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my luxury wish list or things that I just have on my radar that I've really been wanting and hoping to buy in 2023. It is the holiday season, so hopefully this will give you some ideas on what you should ask for, or like things like, maybe I should ask for this for Christmas, because some of these items I want to be gifted for my birthday and for Christmas. So yeah, if you think that you will be interested, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course, subscribe to my channel. So the first thing on my list, and I have already content my essay, and that is the Chanel flap card holder. I'm gonna insert a picture and like the exact color that I want. Like it's coming out in the I think the next collection, the cruise collection. I think it's like gonna be in the middle of January. So I'm like, I already texted her. I'm like, oh my god, like I really want this. Can you please let me know whenever you guys get it in store? So yeah, hopefully I'm able to get that. But yeah. And I don't really want to, I want to use it as of course as a card holder, but I've been seeing on TikTok a lot of girls have been buying like these little like organizer inserts, and you can kind of make it into like a little bag. And I love mini bags. I'm like that girl. I definitely have TBE, tiny bag energy, because I just love tiny bags. I love mini bags, so I'm like, you know what, like yes, I'm someone that doesn't really carry a lot, just like my cards, my phone, that's it. And yeah, I've been seeing girls do that, and yeah, I think that it would be so cute. I even saw that leather surgeons would actually even add like a cute little like leather tab, and then they'll add like an authentic Chanel what is it called? They'll add an authentic Chanel strap. So I think that is even better. So yeah, I think I might do the insert first just to see like how I like it. And then if I really love it, and I'm like, oh my god, yes, I can see it's like a little forever little DIY bag, I'll probably send it to leather surgeons. So yeah, that's definitely like on my top of the list. Like that's something that I definitely plan on buying. I actually was gonna get that as a gift for my Christmas present or like my birthday. One of my friends gonna buy it for me, but it was completely out of stock. I knew I wanted a specific color. I wanted like the bright pink, and it was in the last season, and it was I could not get it. It was completely sold out. I contacted several essays, and they just told me like, yeah, it's completely sold out. So I have my eyes on a new color, and it's blue. And yeah, I think that would be really cute for the summer, bright color. So yeah, I'm excited. So hopefully you guys will see an unboxing for that soon. And the next item is a beige bag. If you guys like watch my videos a lot, I have so many black bags. Like it's kind of annoying because it's like I need more colors. Like I do have like a off-white, or it's more like a cream wallet on chain. It's from YSL, and that's like the bag that I use to die for in the summer, just because like I don't really have like any other like bright colors. So now I'm just kind of like, DeUndrea, do not buy any more black bags. So I have told myself like I can't buy any more black bags. It doesn't matter how much I love them, like how cute they are. Like no, I need to build a variety in my collection. So I definitely need a beige bag, because like I just noticed that I don't have it. Like if I have an outfit and I'm like, gosh, like I really need a beige bag, like it's definitely a hole in my collection. Like I'm like, a girl, like you need this. So yeah, I'm kind of looking at maybe like the Chanel Vanity, just something different. I know that it would be really cute in the summer, just have like a cute little dainty bag. So I have been looking at that. Obviously I don't know if Chanel's gonna come out with the beige bag. I think it's gonna be more like a caramel color, but I would be open to it. Or even like a wallet on chain in a beige bag, just something like really like small, dainty. I would love a Chanel mini in the beige, but I was looking on the pre-love market, and they're over retail like $6,000, and I'm like, no, like I'm not doing that. So yeah, I guess we shall see. But I really need a beige bag like before the summer is over. And then the next item is something that I really need, and it's a tote bag. Like I said before, I am like a mini bag girl, so I never really like felt like I needed a tote bag. But once I bought a tote bag, I was like, this is like my most used bag ever. So I bought this like Shein bag. I'm honestly embarrassed to even show it because it's so dirty. It's disgusting. Because originally I wanted to get the Chanel Duville tote because just like I work from home, and sometimes I'll go to like coffee shops and things like that to work, just like just to get like a new area, a new atmosphere. So I'll go like coffee shops and things like that, and I'll have like my little ugly. If you're in accounting, y'all know like accounting firms love to give you these black book bags with the company name, and they're just like every time I see someone in there, I'm like I bet they work finance or accounting. Like it's just so accounting starter pack. So yeah, like I want like a really cute tote bag, and I just knew like I'm not really a tote bag girl. Like and then like in my luxury regrets, like I just learned like, if this is not something that you're really, really into, you might regret it. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna start with this Shein bag. I think it was maybe like $20, so not expensive at all. And if I don't use it, I'll know that I don't need to spend thousands of dollars on this tote bag. And y'all, oh my god, I wear that bag to filth. It's so disgusting. It's literally like breaking apart. Like it literally has holes in the inside because it's just horrible quality. It was only $20 from Shein. So yeah, it's definitely time for me to invest in a bag. And that kind of bag kind of did tell me like, you know what, I don't need a canvas bag. So that's kind of why I was like, you know what, I don't need to get the Chanel Duville because it's canvas, it gets dirty, like, yeah, no. So now I started to look at maybe like Goyard. But I just hear so many bad reviews on the Goyard tote. I think it's the St. Louis tote. I hear so just bad wear and tear, like just not good. So I was like, oh my god, like what other tote bag could I look at? So I did not want to get the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Like I was just like, like that bag is so overdone. Everybody has it. Like I'm just like, But it just seems like the best fit for me. Like the canvas, the Louis Vuitton canvas, like is very durable, easy to use. Like it just seems like a no-brainer for me. So as much as I didn't want to get that bag just because everybody has it, so oversaturated, I think I kind of want to get the Neverfull bag. Like, yeah, I've seen it on the pre-love market for like $1,000, so like really inexpensive. So I'm like, you know what? Why not? And I think if I do get it pre-loved, I wouldn't really care so much about like the wear and tear. Like because it's a tote bag. Like you're gonna use it a lot. You're gonna get a lot of wear out. You're gonna be overstuffing it. So yeah, I can't believe that's on my wish list, but it is. And then my next items are like jewelry. The next little like segment is gonna be like jewelry and every time I make a luxury wish list, this item is on my wish list. Like pretty much these last items are on there. And this is just a pair of diamond stud earrings, 1/2 carat. I actually wanted this for Christmas. This is like the one thing that I asked for, but I ended up getting like bracelets because I was like, you know what, like I need some arm candy. So but I still want these earrings. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna end up getting these for myself. This is like definitely on the top of my wish list because a girl needs some nice pair of stud earrings. Like my grandma was like, yeah, like you really need to invest in like some nice stud earrings. So I definitely want to get these. I actually did purchase a pair of. It was first I ordered 1/2 carat, and I was just like, oh, I don't know, like they seem kind of small, and like I just was like, I don't know. So then I got the full carat, and that was like way too big. I was like, no. So yeah, I wish I would have just kept the 1/2 carat because it was like such a good price, and I haven't seen it. I actually ordered it from Saks Off Fit. The diamond quality wasn't the best. That's why I was just kind of like, should I get it? But I wish I would have got it because it was such a great price. Like it was, I was like, oh my god. And I haven't seen it at that price ever again. So I was like, why not just keep it? So yeah. So the next item is a diamond, the Tiffany diamond hoop ring. And I actually was looking at this when I got my Tiffany love ring, and I was like, oh, like this would be cute. I tried it on and stuff. I really, really liked it, and I liked the price. I think it was like maybe like $1,100, and now I think it's about like $1,400. So it definitely has went up a lot. But I really, really liked it. Originally, like I think I've said this before, I really wanted to keep this ring kind of bare just because I'm like, you know what, like, you know, hopefully it will get filled with an engagement ring. But you know what, like, I don't want to just keep this ring bare just to wait for an engagement ring. Like, who knows when that's going to happen. So I think I want to add like a cute little thumb ring. So that's what I was thinking about. I think that would be like really something different and something cool to add. So yeah, I kind of want to add that diamond ring like as a thumb ring. I think that would be something different. So yeah, and then of course, this was on my wish list before. The Cartier Love Bracelet. I am obsessed. I love this bracelet so much. It's definitely not something that I want to purchase for myself, but I would love to get it as a gift. So yeah, of course I want that. And then I have been obsessing over, so this last category is going to be sneakers, and I have been obsessing over these Chanel sneakers. Like every time they have a collection, I'm like, oh my god, I want it, but they are actually really, really hard to get. Every time I go in the store, they're always sold out. If I try to reach out to SAs, they never have my size, and I've never tried them on, so I really don't even know. Like, some people said they're true to size, some people say you need a size down, so I honestly don't even know my size, but I always just ask for like my true size. So yeah, and they just never have them. So yeah, I'm like, oh my god, like I really need some sneakers. Like I really want to invest in a nice pair of designer sneakers, because even though I do have a lot of sneakers, they're like Nike, Yeezy. Like I don't really have like a nice pair of like, you know, luxury sneakers, like luxury designer sneakers. And why not add a pair of Chanel sneakers? So yeah, I really, really want a pair. That's high on my list. And then some sandals. I don't really have that many like nice sandals either. I have like my Gucci ones, but I really need like a color in beige. So I really, really wanted the Hermes Aran sandals, but my foot is too narrow, which is weird because a lot of people said they're made for narrow foot, but mine is too narrow. If I size down, for them to actually fit, I would need to size down to a 6. But then of course, like my foot is hanging out because it's too short. So yeah, they just don't work out for me. Just my foot shape is just weird. So I want to get maybe like the Dior D-Way sandal. They have these really cute like rose gold with like rhinestones on them. Oh my god, so cute. Or just like a classic pair of maybe like the Chanel like sandal or something like that. It's really simple, but I need them in beige because I don't have like a brown or a camel beige type of sandal. I just have black, of course. My collection is like purely black everything, and I really am trying to like step out of that. So yeah, I just want to invest in more colors and things like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this luxury wish list. Of course, this is not everything that I want, you know. Obviously, like I have my dream bag and things that like I really, really want, but these are just items that I'm like, okay, like I want to invest in these. I want to get these soon. I have a need for these, I feel like. So yeah, these are things that like I need to get within hopefully like the next year. I hope that this was helpful for you guys. Maybe you saw some things that you might want to ask for, or you're like, you know what, maybe I actually need this too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel.